to command line show run route. I have configured, so forget about this. We only need one default route. Take this, both of them. Now, once you select it, in the secure CRT, it automatically copied. Take this, put them in the notepad, and go to replace, search, replace, let's say 21 with 24. Done. That's it. Automatically change the next hop. It automatically change the network. It automatically change the host interface as well. Because firewall can only reach to the without static or default route or without any routing. Firewall does not know about 192.168.21 or 100 network or 20 network or outside network. So that is why we need to make sure before we configure any other feature on the firewall, our infrastructure is ready. Clear? Okay, so for example, I just created these static routes. I can just go into the command line and I'm just typing it. That's it. Done. Show run route. There you go. Job done. And I can now ping 200.100. You can ping it. If I don't have this static route, for example, right now, I can say no. I can change to no, for example. Okay. If I remove the static route, I ping to, for example, you can. Oh, it's going through the default route. Sorry. Yeah, that's why it's going through that. Yeah, because by it's going through this side actually. So basically, you need the static routes as well.